Hello everyone, I've got a very exciting update to the ToyBot, because as you can see, it is almost 100%, and that is in terms of actual components and installed in there, and they look stunning when the lights are out. Anyway, the screen lovingly taped to the window, beautiful installation, and if I turn the dial here, we get a nice reaction, and it tells me what kind of candy is inside, because that is indeed an atomic fireball. And if we move over here to the computer, and I reload this Twitter feed right here, it says, I just sold an atomic fireball. 1 out of 2. So, I'm very excited about that, and it's a huge step forward, and I'm not finished yet, but that's a huge step. And I can turn the lights on here and show you a little bit more about the guts. Now, one of the biggest things upcoming is to make this look a little bit more professional. And obviously the LCD screen isn't going to be taped on there in the end. It will probably have a custom-made slot cut in this plexiglass, and it will reside in there and be nicely integrated with the paint scheme. Now, if you take a look at the guts, which I've shown you before, they're now fully populated by machines and wires, and altogether too many power supplies. I'm actually currently have 2 power supplies in there, one for the board and one for the lights themselves. So that needs to be condensed at some point, and the breadboard I'm still using will also be changed into more of a prototype board, so I can really solder the stuff together and make it a little bit more finished of a product instead of having all these wires that can come loose. So that's definitely one of the focuses now, is to make this all a little bit more final, a little bit more professional. Also hoping to get a custom paint job on this, these blank white sides, and hopefully coming up into the glass panes as well. And another big challenge I have is extending the range of the RFID. It's currently sitting right below the chute right here, which works well when the RFID tag can always settle to the bottom no matter which way you turn it, but I don't anticipate that being the case in the final implementation. So I really need to extend the range of it a little bit, and that's going to be a challenge. It may be through multiple sensors, or it may be through a custom RFID antenna. So I want to keep it quick and short, but I thought that was very exciting news and wanted to share it with everyone. So talk to you soon when I've made more progress. Bye.